everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 703 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Kylie Cosmetics product from the Kylie Jenner Try It kit, which is this adorable kit right here, which my mom actually got herself for Christmas, but she's nice enough to let me try out the products in this. And today I'm trying out the matte lipstick in the shade Almost Friday, which is such a cute name. I've never tried out the Kylie lipsticks before. I've only ever tried out the liquid lipsticks, and oh my gosh, the packaging is adorable. I love pink, so I'm obsessed with this packaging. I also noticed that this has some weight to it, so let's check it out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it says Kylie in the lipstick here. That is such a cute touch. At first I thought the lipstick had like a dent in it, but oh my gosh, beautiful design there. So this kit originally cost $49, it says on here, but this lipstick alone cost $17. But when I last checked on the Ulta website, this Kylie Jenner Try It kit was on sale for I think less than $30. So that's a huge deal. I might have to buy my own kit. But this really looks like a beautiful nude shade. Let me start out by doing a swatch. Oh, beautiful, creamy formula. And this shade looks so beautiful. I actually tried out the lip liner from this kit already, so I will have that video in the description down below if you want to see it. But that's more of like a brown lip liner, and I was like, oh, that would look perfect with a nude, kind of like a pinky, peachy lip. And little did I know that that's exactly the shade of lipstick that comes with it. So that seems like it would be a really perfect pair. So let's see how this lipstick looks. Wow. Oh my gosh, this matches my shirt almost perfectly. This is beautiful. So easy to apply. I love the shape of this lipstick since it has a good point. It's easy to get really precise shape. Like this doesn't even need a lip liner in my opinion, but by adding that lip liner it does help to enhance the lips and make them appear a little bit bigger and more plump if that's the look that you want. Wow, this is seriously like such a beautiful creamy formula that is full pigment. It looks completely smooth on my lips, and I love this color. I really do feel like this is a perfect nude shade that can transition day to night, work with so many different types of makeup looks, different eyeshadow colors. Love this. And it's a matte lipstick, but I would kind of consider this more of like a satin, like cream finish. It almost has a little bit of shine to it. So it's not like nearly as matte, like dry as I was expecting from a matte lipstick. I actually really love the finish on this. And now let's see if there's any transfer. Yeah, a little bit of transfer, but it still looks really perfectly intact on my lips. Wow. So all you'd really have to do is blot this with a tissue and it'll be really long lasting. Like I personally would still bring the lipstick with me if I was going out and I was going to be eating and drinking in case I wanted to reapply. Plus it's just such cute packaging that I want to take this out and show it off when I'm reapplying. I feel like that's where packaging is so important too, because if you're using a product out in public, you want it to be cute and then you're gonna catch other people's attention with the product that you're using. You don't wanna be using like a broken, crusty product out in public because then that's just not cute when you're putting it on. But this, you whip this out, that's cute. I really love this lipstick because I'm loving the color and I'm loving the formula. Loving that it's long lasting, how smooth and even it looks on my lips. So I really do think that I'm gonna need to get my own of these because this is definitely a shade that I would get a lot of use out of. Yay, I'm so excited to try out the rest of the products in here. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of those upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.